functions of the at-risk Excel add-in that I showed you are just very few functions among the many that are available. To give you an idea of what else is available, in terms of output analysis, we have several other charts we can look at. For example, we can see the distribution in terms of cumulative distribution, right? Rather than density approximation, we can look at cumulative distribution. We can also look at things like regression coefficients. How is the variable cost or demand in year 1, 2, 3, 4? How are they affecting the net present value, right? Remember, these are our inputs. 5 inputs are for the demands in year 1, 2, 3, 4, and the variable cost is the new input that we added more recently. And you can see as you increase the variable cost, it is affecting significantly negatively the net present value. And as you increase demands in year 1, 2, 3, 4, you're actually positively affecting NPV, right? Because higher demand means higher revenues. So, and also you see that year 1 has more effect than year 2, and then right. So there is a decreasing effect as you go through years. So these are some additional outputs that you can see. But there are also a number of facilities to create simulations. So we have facilities to fit distribution to data. If you have some random values collected from a real system and you want to use it as a basis for simulation, and you don't know what distribution you should use, you can use a fit distribution to data, right? So this is a facility. Another thing is if you simulate time series, there are special facilities. You can simulate uh, random values that are correlated. For example, if year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4, the demands have a Poisson distribution, but they are somewhat correlated, not perfectly, but somewhat correlated. You can create a correlation matrix and make them behave in a correlated fashion. There's also a lot of functions. I just showed you a few, but there are many functions and additional facilities. So please be aware that this is just a brief introduction to what simulation or Monte Carlo simulation is and how it can be used for some simple problems. But simulation can be a topic of a full course, or even degrees can be obtained in mastering the simulation.